Hey guys, Craig here from Out There Touring. Camp cook up time again. This one's done a bit differently though. A couple of weeks ago I released my 12 months on YouTube and they were all on my camping locations. So I figured I would release a cook up one from the past 12 months, and these will be my top 8, the ones I enjoyed the most and the locations that they were cooked at. So go grab yourself a drink guys, kick back on the lounge, and hope you enjoyed this one. So last year I think I released 34 camp cook-ups. I'm going to take you through what I think's the 8 that I enjoyed the most. We'll start off with number 8 being the steak burger that I cooked up near Foster on the beach. Now this was a simple cook up and anybody could do this just on a barbecue, and I think the thing I liked about it the most was that it was so simple to do and just the location. I had that whole beach to myself. So today's location has actually decided what I'm having for dinner: steak burger. And a bit of that garlic butter. Let's get some flavour into this. There we go guys, steak burger by the beach. So number 7 on the list is vanilla slice. I've done this a couple of times now at camp and shared it with the guests or my mates that I've had with me, and this goes down a treat. You've got to give this a go. It'll keep the kids happy and the adults will be asking for more as well. Just want the pastry to just rise a little bit and cook through. And we will actually, because we've put that much cream, we will do the 2. Just keep an eye on the pastry as well, you don't want to burn it. It's already thickening up, it's quite easy to do. Just try to fill as much in as you can, and then when you put the top on, just press down on it a little bit and that should hopefully cover most of the area. Right there guys, that's another cook up done, the vanilla slice. So going to cut it up now, share it around a little bit. Number 6 on my list, the tropical beef tortillas. Now I did this one out with, when I did the camp with strangers from another Facebook group. And I just put this one together. Another simple cook up, can be done anywhere, nice and fresh, and went down a treat. So what I'm going to do is get the beef on the barbecue. There's your tropical salsa mix, I suppose. The meat's almost cooked. Now, I've never done one of these before, so I'm just making it up as I go. A little bit of slaw, bit of meat, bit of the tropical salsa. There you go, a tropical beef tortilla wrap. So number 5, this one could potentially have even gone up to as high as number 2, shotgun bullets. This one requires a little bit of preparation at home and guaranteed it's a great appetizer. It's a middle of the day, keep people happy, keep them going until dinner time. Have a go at shotgun bullets. And you want it to be full all the way down. At the end of the day, when you're eating this, you don't want to be just eating an empty shell. Now what I want to do is wrap these individually in bacon. So we'll leave that in the barbecue as I said, 40-45 minutes, and I'm also going to put just barbecue sauce on them. Probably another 10 minutes and they should be done. So number 4, this is one of my first cook-ups I actually recorded, and it's the roast pork with a good splash of bourbon. And I called it the 10 bourbon cook-up because I thought it would take me 10 bourbons to actually cook it. I got it done in about 8. As I said, it's probably one of my first cook-ups I did that I recorded, and Christmas time now, this one's another must. And we can start to hear it sizzling, and also the smell of the pork starting to come through. So Richard's just putting the vegetables on there. Now there's still plenty of heat in here, so we're taking it off the fire. Going to give it a good splash of bourbon. And you know what? You can never have too much bourbon. And then the 2 fruits. Beautiful. We'll just let those flavours soak in. The vegetables are cooking. So what we've got going on now is we've got the vegetables over on the side there. They'll just cook slowly. The roast, we're just looking to just finish it off. It's got the flavours in it now. A roast pork with 2 fruits, splash of bourbon, some cooked vegetables and some bread rolls. Okay, number 3, the grilled butterfly lamb and vegetables that I cooked out at Mogo Campground. It was, from memory, it was early winter or middle of winter. It had been raining all day. It was a mist coming through all day. Just needed a really good meal over that camp kitchen that was set up there and had the fire going. I think this is one of my best cook-ups I've done. So there's the lamb. I've also added some more rosemary to it. So what I'm going to do now, just a bit of olive oil on the skillet plate. Have a drink, it's very warm near the fire. Secret to a good cook-up, drink more. Then the lamb. So hopefully we can hear this. I've had the lamb just resting off to the side. Let's bring that up. Hopefully you can see that. The vegetables, potato, carrots, pumpkin, have been in the middle of the fire now for a little while just to finish them off. Just going to let this rest for 5 minutes or so. Lamb with honey, rosemary, pumpkin, potato, carrot with a couple of bits of lemon. Rightio, number 2 is the breakfast pie. Now I released this video a couple of weeks ago and already people have messaged me saying I've tried it, this is awesome. So it's a bit of a spin-off from the heart attack breakfast pizza that I did a few months ago. Going to do it up like a pie. So I'm going to use the hash browns as the base. Going to do some onion, some bacon, eggs, cheese, and just season it to whatever your requirements are going to be. So the hash brown base is in there. Keep it together. Just going to put a layer of cheese, then 1 egg. Then I'll put the bacon, the onion on top of that, salt and pepper, a little bit more cheese onto the barbecue. See how this turned out, guys. Number 1 in my camp cook-ups that I think I've enjoyed the most would be the slow cooked pork knuckles in Coca-Cola. So I did them a few months ago now and they're just next level. And And it's a bit of a spin-off from earlier on. One of my original camp cook-ups was ribs cooked in Coca-Cola. So I thought I'd give the pork knuckles a go as well. Couple of hours over the fire in the Dutch oven, and then remove them from the Coca-Cola onto a hot plate. Made up a sauce of barbecue sauce and honey. Put that over it, let that cook on the hot plate for a minute or two, taking them off, and they were next level. So I got the Dutch oven on the fire, already got that hot. So I'm going to do a bit of olive oil in there, then the garlic and onion. Get the pork knuckle, get that in there, sear it, then add the Coca-Cola, and then it'll be a slow cook for probably 2 hours. Just going to fill this up now with Coke. So there's three pork knuckles in there, and probably 1.5 litres of Coke roughly. Got the pork knuckles in the Coca-Cola going over here with vegetables on the side. The honey and barbecue sauce. Just going to what I'll do in a minute, we'll toss that. Vegetables are done, the wedges are done. Pork knuckle cooked in Coca-Cola with a barbecue honey sauce. Vegetables on the side. And wedges. Righto guys, that's it for my top 8 camp cook-ups for this year. Let me know what you guys think. And if you want to look at some of my cook-ups, go to my YouTube channel, go under playlist, and you'll find a folder there of just the cook-ups. Thanks so much guys for all the support you've given me over the past 12 months. It's been a big learning curve, but I've thoroughly enjoyed it. Not just the cook-ups, but also the locations that I've managed to get to. It is Christmas time, so everybody have a great time. Be safe. Make sure you get to your destination. Enjoy those times with your family. Enjoy your camping locations or wherever you're off to this Christmas. Cheers guys. Thanks again for all your support. Travel safely. Merry Christmas.